Good morning, Wednesday. Wow, look at the sun rays just here in the forest. Wow, look. Wow. And today I read about, she was post about sun, so I really want to know how I can heal myself with sun, any disease, because there is a lot of sun and sun is really powerful. Wow, but here is a forest. I show you little plants. All this territory is planted with Phacelia. Look, these little things. This is Phacelia. But if you look closer, there are many of them. But because it's so dry, this Phacelia is like really slow, growing very slow. And there is this Canyas area over there. And here is another field with Phacelia. But you'll see the difference. Look a little bit here. But look, in a shadow with less sun, more moisture. Wow! Look, this is Phacelia, the same Phacelia, and also with moisture, like with morning dew. Wow! Yeah, she's beautiful. Very big. Look how big she is comparing to other field. Yeah, look, all these greens. Wow! So today is Wednesday, 24th, I guess, 24th of May. The weather is hot enough. Here is today 29. And over there, this is a forest area. Over there is our canes roots, quite big. And here, well, actually these canes are nearly finished. 1, 2, and 3 piles. While I go down. Tools, water tools, essentials for the work. Hey, wow! Hello, sun. Hello, sun. Ooh. So here, there's another pile, and this pile is a little bit to finish. Wow! And this is самбуко, no? I don't know how it's in бузина. Бузина тут у нас вовсю цветет. Уже некоторые, видишь, это уже отцвела. Это уже только, это начинает цвести. Это, так сказать, на серединке, на половинку. Wow. Wow, it's a beautiful day. Going to be a beautiful day. Birds are chirping. Om Namah Shivaya.